Hi guys, in this video we are going to focus on the equality of two matrices, or when two matrices will be equal. So there are two conditions for the equality of two matrices. The one is that the first condition is that the two matrices must have the same order, meaning they must have the same number of rows and columns. And the second condition is that the elements in the corresponding position must be equal. So we will take some example and then you will understand the equality of two matrices. For example, I'm gonna take two matrices, whether they are equal or not. So it will depend on the two conditions, whether the two matrices satisfies the two condition or not. So if they satisfy these two conditions, then they will be equal. For example, I'm gonna take a matrix A which contains the elements 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm gonna take another matrix B, which contains the elements 3, 8 over 2, 5, and 3 plus 3. Right, so if we look at these two matrices, then one is that they have the same order, mean they have the same number of rows and columns. Matrix A has 2 rows and 2 columns, and matrix B also has 2 rows and 2 columns. And the second condition is that the elements in the corresponding position are equal. So here there is 3, there is also 3, here is 4, and here is 8 divided by 2 is 4. Here is 5, here is 5, here is 6, and here is 3 plus 3, which is 6. So these two matrices satisfy these two conditions, so these two matrices are equal. Now let's take another two matrices that are not equal. For example, I will take C matrix, which contains the elements 3, 2, 1, and 5. And D matrix, which contains the elements 3, 8, negative 1, 4, 0, and 5. So if we look at these two matrices, then they don't have the same order because there are 2 rows and 2 columns, and there are 3 rows and 2 columns. So the order of these matrices are not the same, and elements in the corresponding position are also not same. So that is why these two matrices are not equal and these two matrices are equal. And let me take another example, E matrix, which contains the elements 4, 2, 3, and negative 1. And F matrix, which contains the elements 3, 2, 3, and negative 1. So again, look at these two matrices here. And matrix E, the first element is 4, and matrix F, the first element is 3. And here is 2, here is 2, here is 3, and here is also 3. Here is negative 1, and here is negative 1. But if we look at these two matrices, then the first entry of the two matrices are not equal. So that is why these two matrices are not equal, although these two matrices have the same order. But due to the difference of one element and the two matrices are not equal. Now dear viewer, I am gonna give you an example whether these two matrices are equal or not. So I am gonna give you G matrix, which contains the elements 3 and 2, and H matrix, which contains the elements negative 3 and 2. Whether these two matrices are equal or not, so write your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to math. Thank you for watching.